going to be working on the landing gear here. I bought this aftermarket landing gear set by E-Flite. It's from one of their models. The landing gear that came with the kit was very basic, just a couple of wires, a couple pieces of balsa wood for the fairings. But I found these online. They're actually all metal. They are covered with monocoat, so they're not solid metal here. So we want to be careful with that. But I won't really know exactly for sure if this is going to work or not until I get it all together. So I'm going to go ahead and get this assembled up. I won't tighten anything down, but I just want to basically get it how it's going to go so I can see if it's going to fit on the plane. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll probably have to make some modifications to the way it actually mounts, but that will be pretty easy. Okay, so it looks like it's going to fit pretty good. The width is perfect, and the length forward to back is perfect according to the plans. What I'll have to do is I'll have to take up some of this sheeting right here and put in another mounting block, epoxy that in just like we have in the front to give that the support it needs to mount to there. So I'm very pleased with that. That's going to look really cool. It gives it that scale look. Like I said, the original kit just had the wire landing gear coming out here and a piece of balsa glued on as the fairing. But this is all metal parts, and it's looking really good. I'm really happy with this. Okay, so we're about to glue the vertical stabilizer onto the horizontal stabilizer here. If you remember, I mentioned that in the instructions, they wanted you to glue the stabilizers onto the fuselage uncovered. But I decided to go ahead and cover them first because that's just going to make it so much easier. I got the covering removed here where the epoxy is going to go. The vertical stable will go right in there. We'll be using our 5-minute epoxy. I'll probably have to hold this for that whole 5 minutes because I can't find a good way to set this up to have it hold itself. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and do that. Get this glued in here, and then we'll get these mounted onto the fuselage permanently, and then we'll continue from there.
Okay then, I think that's going to be about it for this week. I was on vacation for a couple of weeks and then came back and had a really bad cold with a deer infection, so I'm really not getting much done right now, and starting back to work soon, so I've got some other things I need to do. Life happens, which is a good thing. But yeah, so hopefully maybe 2 more videos and this thing will be done. I've been learning a lot from some new friends I met over in Hayling, England. RC Model Geeks, Captain Rob over there has got some awesome videos I've been learning something from probably each and every one of them on how to get scale looks and covering, and a lot of great information over there. So if you want to check out his YouTube channel, it's really good. He's English guy over there, and got a lot of humor in his videos, and I really enjoy watching them, so you should check them out for sure. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and we'll see if in the next couple of weeks we can make some real progress finishing up the tail. I got this really cool scale stabilizer strut kit off of eBay that I'm going to install. And like I said, the scale tail wheel that's spring actuated. It's going to be really cool. And I've got these E-Flite aluminum scale wing struts that are going to go on. So hopefully hopefully this will still be a Great Plains kit when I'm done, and not an E-Flite kit. But anyway, they got a lot of great parts that are actually fitting on my plane. So thanks for tuning in. Hit the like button, comment if you want, subscribe, and I hope to see you here again soon. Bye-bye.